love to have a new designer on our website, so we welcome Petar Trlajic, with a brand new concept phone, the Razer Phone 2.0. It feels more like a console than a smartphone, and we love to analyze it below. Finished in matte black, the device packs 256 GB of storage, 8 GB of RAM, and it all measures 7.75 mm in thickness. The front cam is an 8MP shooter and the battery is generous, at 4500 mAh. I find it weird that the front cam is integrated into the side. This is actually not bad, considering the size of this thing, 6.6-inch ultra-wide screen and 21:9 aspect, plus 15MP wide-angle and telephoto cameras, dual cameras. Razer Phone 2.0 runs on Android 8.0 Oreo, and the speakers up front are still THX certified, like the first model had. The power unlock button comes with a fingerprint scanner integrated. A console mode button with LED is here. A wireless gaming controller also makes the cut with an extra 3500 mAh battery. The design is rather angular and I'm loving the camera integration at the back. We also get a kickstand, and under it there's an open-air cooling mechanism. This may just be a Nintendo Switch killer, with the controller included. Thank you. See you next time.